Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Allure. You already know that this is your girl Trend Allure. If you're new or just passing by, or you are just seeing my face for the first time, hi and welcome. It's a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle, so feel free to check out our previous videos, and I'm sure you're gonna see something you love in there. While you're doing that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To my old new returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back for your girl. I really do love and appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. So before I get into today's videos, today's shout out goes to thank you guys so much. Thank you. I'm truly grateful. So yeah, this is a requested video, and I know I have a whole lot of requested video I've not answered to. I will answer. It's just that I've been extremely busy, and I just decided, okay, fine, let me just start picking them out. And don't I write them down, but sometimes. Anyways, I'm going to be answering your talking about your own requests very soon. So please forgive me if I've not answered yours. And don't forget, first three persons to leave a comment get a shout out in the next video. So today the request was I want an talk about affordable skincare for beginners. And then she sent me this on my WhatsApp and she said this video is everywhere on YouTube and I should talk about my own. Normally, I would have done my research, but I've not even checked out what people are doing or how they are doing it. I'm just coming out to talk about, what I feel actually, what I feel. So for me, I have 10 skincare for beginners. Like if you want to go into the skincare game, you want to now, like start taking care of your skin. To me, these are the top 10 things you need. And she said affordable things. So yeah, I always talk about cheap and expensive things here on this channel. So your girls got you. So let's get into this video. Number one obviously has to be a bath wash. So there are a whole lot of bath wash in the market. We have from Dove to that Lemon Plus. Guys, that Lemon Plus was actually very good. I don't know what happened that or maybe the fake now became too much. So we have from as low as that to, Bismuth. Even Bismuth to Fair and White. So all those ones are expensive. So if you want a cheaper one, I would say go for Dove. Dove is actually affordable. It's an affordable and it's a very moisturizing bath wash that helps to not only clean the skin but also helps in moisturizing your skin. Dove product, they're always known for moisturizing. So yes, it's a very cheap product. I would recommend Dove. That's for me. Then if you want, lightening and all that, yes, there is whitening milk body wash. Then there are glutathione body wash and all that body wash. So yeah, you can as well get those ones as well. So and we have Nano. Nano is actually not expensive as well. And there is Ashanti, which is not expensive as well. So that's my number one. You need a body wash. Yeah. If it's not a body wash, you can get a body soap. It's not compulsory that it has to be a body wash. Okay. A soap will do just fine as well. And then we have the exfoliating sponge or body sponge. So we always have our normal body sponge where we use in bathing, and then we have our exfoliating sponge. Yeah, that sponge can also, I think I should leave the picture right here for you guys to see, or anywhere here. That sponge is actually good. Yeah, you can use it every day on your body. I will not recommend that sponge on your face. I've said it in my previous video. I will not recommend that sponge for your face because that sponge is really, really hard and your face is actually very delicate. You don't need anything that's going to cause problem to your face. Especially if you have a very sensitive skin, then no. For your face, you just need, I talked about it, I will link it in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can watch that video. I talked about great exfoliating sponge for your face, what you can use for your face, different things you can use for your face, the prices, and they are very cheap. They are extremely cheap. I talked about it there in that video, so I will link it down below for you guys to see. So get a very good sponge. For the body sponge, yeah, you can use that scrub for the body. I would say yes, because it's exfoliating the skin. So, and then you need a very good body scrub, or a body scrub and a face scrub. So talking about face scrub, I always say I prefer to make my own face scrub because soft scrub is not good for me. But yeah, there are other nice scrub that you can get that have just very little, like all these stones or grains, just very little. Like you will not even know you're applying anything to your face. So it's always there. It's cheap. There's a smaller one, they have different sizes, and then it's cheap. Or if you're the type that like sugar scrub, the one thing I like those scrubs about is because they are emulsified scrub, and they are very moisturizing to the face, which is why it's perfect. And we have coffee scrub as well, which is very nice, and you get some that are cheap, but the ultimate scrub everybody is using that is really perfect, and then a love is Ashanti scrub, and that other one that looks like Ashanti scrub that I still don't know how to pronounce till date. But I've talked about it a lot. So yeah, you just need that scrub. And if you have a sensitive skin, I would advise you. Ashanti scrub right now is about, I think, 2000. So if you have a sensitive skin, I would advise that you go for something like tomato, you go for something like the milk, you go for something like turmeric. Then if you have a tougher skin, I will advise you go for the honey. I talked about in my previous videos that the honey is, to me, is harsher, like it's really harsh, and I can't even use that one for my face. But some people do use it for their face, and it's nice. Some people love soft scrub, some people don't love soft scrub. So if you're in that category that you love soft scrub, I love soft scrub for my body, but not for my face. So yeah, I have a scrub for my body, and then I don't have for my face. I don't When I'm using for my face, I use either oats or sugar and turmeric and honey scrub, and I will leave the link in the description box, so in case you want to make yours, you can go check that video out and then make yours as well. It's very cheap to do. Sugar, you can use sugar, how much? 20 naira. Then honey, if you have honey, most Nigerian homes have honey in their house. If you don't have honey, then just use like any oil. If your skin is accepts coconut oil, fine. If it doesn't accept coconut oil, use like almond oil, just mix, and then add any other thing. You just scrub the face, or use oats. There are so many, so many, so many scrub videos here, and I will link them below for you guys to see. If you want to make your own, making your own to me is cheap, and then you know what you're using on your skin. So after this, I'm going to say face wash. So yes, there's face wash. Is why I always say don't use something made for the body on the face, because the ingredients that are used for the face is different from the ones for the body. That's why there is face, and then there is body scrub, body wash. So you need a face wash. Yeah, Dove also have, Nivea has, those are cheap ones actually. They are really cheap, great ones. And there are other products in the market that are actually very, very cheap that you can use. So now I've talked about bath wash, exfoliating sponge, body scrub, face wash. And you know that there is something called a body moisturizer. I'm actually thinking of doing the practical, but I've been too lazy to do it. Like, I will not say too lazy, let me just say too busy. Yeah, there's something called body conditioner. So body conditioner is a cream that is being rubbed on the body after a shower. Like, when after doing all this in the shower, you just rub it all over your body, then just use it in massaging your body from your head down to your toe. Use it in massaging your body, and then leave it for like 3 minutes, and then just wash off. So it's going to leave your skin feeling really fresh. It's going to lock in moisture in your skin. Okay, you don't have to clean your body. What you do is, immediately there will still be water on your body, and then just rub it all over and leave it. Just massage, leave it for like 3 minutes, and then wash off. So that's called the body conditioner. You see, when you put conditioner on your hair, it makes the hair really soft, right? So that's what this does for the body, and then it moisturizes the body as well. So then, after your bath and everything, you need a face moisturizer and the night cream. So a face moisturizer, because especially most people like to use whitening creams on their face, so which is why I always advise a face moisturizer during the day. So when I'm talking about face moisturizer, guys, because I got a question, it's not those they'll say sunblock. They'll say sunblock in the market, then you buy how much? 1,500. That is not a moisturizer. That is actually a spot remover. And if you smell it, you will know that there are some bleaching agents in there. and it's a sunblock, but you're using it under the sun and you think it's going to protect you. No, it's not going to protect you. Don't mistake it. A facial moisturizer is different. It's a moisturizer. Most people just tend to make like something like base cream. There are a whole lot of moisturizer. I did a face moisturizer in this channel. I will link it down in the description box. It's what I've been using and I love it. Like my skin feels really, really soft, guys. It feels really healthy. And yeah, you can try it out if you're the type that like to make your own stuff. You can try it out. If you're not the type that like to make your own stuff, you can go to the market or where they sell creams and then get a face moisturizer. So if you have money, you can go for CeraVe, Cetaphil. They are very nice products that are in the market right now and they are making waves. One thing about CeraVe, Cetaphil, you will feel your skin is not agreeing with it, but just leave it for a week and then you start seeing the results. It's a very good moisturizer and it works with so many skin issues. So that's one is not affordable because CeraVe Cetaphil, the face cream is very small and it's about 12,000 naira. So for those that can afford it, yeah. For those that can't afford, there are a lot of face moisturizing cream in the store or in the cosmetic shop that you can afford that are very, very nice. Nivea does have, I think Neutrogena has don't, but it's just that you just need something with very good quality. When you're looking for, look for something that contains vitamin B, contains vitamin E, and some retinol as well. And if you're the acne prone type, look for one that contains retinol. Yeah, this ingredient, but some also will write salicylic. Yes, they do. So you can get them if you're the type above 40 years and above. Look for the one that contains retinol. It's going to help with anti-aging as well. So they are really cheap in the market. Just go check and you will see the one that you like. Okay. And when you're buying, look for all skin type and buy that one. For the body, yeah, you can use your body cream or your moisturizer. See, even if you're using all these lightening creams, your body still needs a break from them. That's where you need moisturizer. All these whitening and lightening creams tends to dry out the skin, tends to make you age on time. So you need a moisturizing cream that is going to moisturize your skin, that's going to bring back that moisture, that's going to bring back that youthfulness to your skin. That leads me to Nivea, that leads me to Dove again, that leads me to Vaseline again. So you can get a body moisturizer for the day and whatever you want. If you're using the lightning cream, use it at night, or sometimes take a break for like 3 days just to moisturize your skin and then go back with whatever it is you're using it for. Those lightening, for those that are not lightening their skin, yeah, Vaseline, go for Vaseline, go for yeah, Vaseline. I talked of Vaseline. There is Neutrogena. There is Nivea. There are so many moisturizing creams out there, so you can go for that. So the next one is lip balm. So lip balm does not necessarily have to be pink lip balm or anything. No, a simple balm as small as Vaseline would do. Yes, Vaseline, just to moisturize your lips so you don't have dried lips. And we're getting to Harmattan season. You don't want to have dried lips. You just have to like moisturize the lip. Then there are balms they sell in the market for 200, 300 naira just to moisturize your lip. And you see that your lips will be being supple and getting, brighter. Imagine if your lips are really bright, your skin is going to it's going to pop out. So lip balm for me. And then we have a facial serum. So there are cheap facial serum from as low as 1,000 something. We're talking about let's talk about retinol. There's vitamin C. A lot of people don't do well with this vitamin C, but yeah, there's vitamin C. There are a whole lot of facial serum that are cheap in the market. And then I don't want this video to be too long. And then we have face toner. So we have face toner from as low as 1,000 as well, which is Skin Doctor. We have Skin Doctor. We have there's the one I showed you guys that I'm using. I don't even know the name. It's blue with orange cover. Yeah, that one. There are a lot of facial toners in the cosmetic shop or in the market that you can get for a really great price. And then sunscreen, which brings me back to that sunblock. Most people mistake sunblock for sunscreen. Sunblock is not sunscreen, guys. It's not. Your sunscreen contains SPF that can help you protect you from the sun. So stop mistaking sunburn for sunscreen. It is not sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen. Get a sunscreen that have from SPF 50 to 90. Yeah, there is SPF 90. So you can get from that range from there. And then there are cheap ones that have that white residue. There are even some expensive ones with that white residue as well. But there are some that are very nice and that are cheap, that does not have that white residue. When you're reading it, just when you're trying to buy, just read it, and you can even open itself and then just look at it. So what I said is, so for me, my own skincare for beginner, my affordable skincare for beginners, you need a bath wash, an exfoliating sponge or a body sponge, a body scrub and a face scrub, a face wash, face moisturizing cream and your night cream, your body moisturizer, lip balm, face serum, face toner, and skin sunscreen. So I hope this was good enough. I don't know. I don't know how people are doing it, but I hope it's good enough and I hope you learned from what I'm saying. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't like to share. Don't like to don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and the notification box so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So posting a video, I've chosen three times in a week. But then we have this algorithm in on YouTube here, and then tells you time where people are online on YouTube. So that's the best time to post. So that I don't really have a particular time to post now, just because I always look at that stuff to post. But when I come up with a time, I will let you guys know I'll be posting this time, this time. Most times, a lot of you want nights, but then the algorithm is telling me people will not be online during that time. And so there's always a problem. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Tell your friends, tell your neighbor about this channel. Let us grow. Let us grow together. Bye, guys.